So all around the world, festivals are held in celebration of many different things. Religion, music, world cultures. And then there's this, the Avocado and Margarita Festival here in Morro Bay. Already I was hungry, I wanted to eat something, I wanted to drink something. It was 10 o'clock in the morning, who cares? I wanted a margarita. Safety tip 101 from Joe, make sure you eat before you have your margarita. There was Mexican food, Puerto Rican food, I even saw some Sri Lankan food as well. Who needs a house and a mortgage when you can be eating smashed avo on toast? Oh. And I grabbed some guacamole. I got some cheerleaders singing to me about my guacamole.
Hey Joe, thank you for your tip. Hey Joe, enjoy your guac and chips. Woo!
Avocados and margaritas go together fucking fantastically. This festival was started years ago because the local farmers decided, hey, we've got these cracker avocados here, why not celebrate them? I was lucky to meet Frank, who is one of the avocado farmers here in town.
Here in Morro Bay, the avocados are real special. The fruit is on the trees for 18 months, and a lot of the avocados that are picked around the world are only on the trees for just a few months. And they don't have the richness and the flavor and the butteriness that they have from this area. The reason they're on the trees so long here is because of the cool climate and the growing conditions or microclimates we have here. And so to celebrate the avocados here in Morro Bay is just a real special time.
Do you know anything about the mythological backgrounds of avocados?
I've heard about some mythology from Mexico. It was a fertility type drug.
That's interesting because the reason I ask is because in Greek mythology, avocados are seen as the testicles of the gods.
If you look at my logo here, Del Rey, I have two testicles hanging out.
Oh, they're very modest ones too.
Avocados and margaritas are like the best thing. And festivals. So.
Who doesn't like avocados and margaritas?
I love avocados. Yeah. Support the local avocado industry.
So what brought you guys from Australia?
Avocados and margaritas.
Sure, and looks like a Bloody Mary. If you're from Australia, everything's bloody, huh?
Everything's bloody.
Got a Bloody Mary, a bloody margarita. Bloody nice day.
Bloody nice day. We've got a bloody camera.
A bloody cameraman.
And you're a bloody legend. So one of the events that was held was this sombrero competition. And we saw some cracker sombreros. There were these two crazy girls who had tequila hanging from their hats. And from the word go, I had a good feeling they were going to take the cake. And they did. And to celebrate, they were throwing these tequilas out into the crowd. Our cameraman got hit. A few people were just diving for these things, so it turned into quite a spectacle. So I got to meet Erica, who was one of the event organisers, and she really did paint a perfect picture of exactly what this festival does, not just for the local farmers, but for the community in general. How many people do you think turned up today?
It feels a lot like last year. Last year we were at 11,000. The population of our town is 10,500, so we double the population in a day. Morro Bay is unique, and we have all this beautiful green space that's around the city, so we're celebrating something that comes from there. But then it brings the community together because it benefits so many nonprofits in the communities. Everybody's kind of getting on board.
When you're travelling and you're going to festivals, it's great to go to the big ones where you can have a blast and get lost in massive crowds and dance in front of huge stages with massive acts. But it's also really cool to come to these small towns where they have their annual yearly festival, and you get to go in and be one of those locals for a day, and you get to chat to the locals, you get to chat to the farmers, you get to chat to people who have lived in these towns their entire lives and just really become immersed in a place. All you got to do is talk to them.